Let's go. Here, check out his bike. And look, at the end of the day, it's really all about discipline. We all know what we have to do. We all know how to do it. We just have to do it. Well, this might be the first fly and ride video that I bring to you in the rain. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. It is middle of January, and it is 57 degrees here. It is unbelievable. However, it is going to change dramatically. Temperatures going down to about 30 degrees tonight. We've got snow coming next week, and then looks like winter is finally going to get here in the Northeast. So I am going out for a ride, and I'm taking you with me. If you're new here, I'm Fly and Ride, and on this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2022 BMW R1250Gs and on my 2020 Street Glide CVO. And I feature cinematic drone footage, destination rides, group rides, product upgrades, product reviews, testing out different bikes, all things here on the channel. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content. So here in the Northeast, we've been having a lot of rain, snow north of here. I haven't gotten any here in the area, and it just poured last night. So I'm headed out. I'm meeting with my buddy Manny. He's got a great photography drone business. Make sure you go check him out, MC Photography on Instagram. So he and I are going to meet up here in a town called Keyport, because there's like massive flooding everywhere, and of course we're going to go out some fun. We're going to launch the drones, and we're going to bring that to you here in this video, so you're going to want to stick around. I mean, look at the gauge. I don't know if you can see it. 58 degrees in the middle of January. Unheard of. So I had to come out here and go for a ride, get some wind therapy, and bring you some great traditional fly and ride footage on the bikes from the air. I hope all of you are having a great start to your 2024. It is mid-January, and I don't know about your New Year's resolution, but mine is still alive and well. 15 days in, and I am sticking to the program. Hopefully you are too. And look, at the end of the day, it's really all about discipline. We all know what we have to do. We all know how to do it. We just have to do it. And I'm sure, like you, I've been down this path before, and I've deviated. I am committed to sticking with it, and it's in general. I'm not giving you any specifics, but certainly it's about a healthier lifestyle, better choices, being healthy, and sticking around for as long as I can for my family and for my friends, and of course for myself. And I'm just taking it nice and slow every day. I celebrate it, and New Year's resolution is still intact. Let me know down in the comments below, is yours still intact? And if not, by the way, that's absolutely okay. Just start it again today, start it again tomorrow. Look, if we have the blessing to get up in the morning, not everybody does, as you know, the great thing about that is we get to start all over again, and whatever we didn't do today, we get to do tomorrow. So anyway, that's my point of view and philosophy. By and large, always been, but certainly uber focused on it since the start of this year. So if you're anything like me, and particularly since I was a kid, anytime we would have like major storms, hurricanes, just rain and or snowstorms, I would be the first one out there. You would just find me out there all the time. That's what I grew up with my parents and my family. And anytime there's like any major storms, it just brings me back to being a kid. So, of course, with safety in mind, if in fact it storms, and it certainly has, you know, there's floods everywhere. So that means the rivers, the oceans are pretty gnarly. you will always find me going out there to just check it out. And of course, I've got the drone with me, which I can give you a nice aerial perspective now. So that's what I'm doing, and it just brings me back to being a kid. I enjoy doing it. Obviously, while I'm out there, I get a chance to come out here and enjoy some wind therapy. It's a bit windy today. It's a nice short ride. Manny's just a few exits up from me, which is kind of cool. All right. Man, I haven't seen that sun in a long time. Let's go. Man, you feel that wind. Woo. But in case you don't know, this is Airwolf, and we cut through the wind. I'll catch you as soon as we get to the meeting spot with Manny, and then we're gonna go check out some of these gnarly spots. And of course, as you can tell, it started raining on us. That's Manny right up there. I think this is one of the first times I'd actually get caught in the rain here. But it's just a little shower, a little drizzle, nothing major. You check out his bike. That thing looks sharp. What's up, man?
What's going on, brother, man?
How you doing? Happy New Year, brother.
I love it, dude.
Bike looks awesome.
I put the grip puppies on. I used to have them on the BMW.
How do you like? That looks freaking. That's comfy, man.
Yeah, I love it.
I didn't know they made them for the Harley.
You can put them on
Anything. Oh, okay, I got you. Man, look at that. That thing is high. Yeah, you could tell that water is coming up right up to that parking lot right there.
It definitely receded because
Yeah.
what I was told this morning, you couldn't get over that bridge.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You can tell. Oh, look, it says road flooded up there, so let's see. Yeah, you can tell it's already lower, but this was flooded all here before. So this is the lovely town of Keyport.
Turn left here and see
Yep.
what it's like.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks like it already receded.
It's receded, yeah. We
telling you,
we
look.
missed the peak.
I don't know what.
All right, let's check. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Yeah, so this would have been a lot higher a little while ago, for sure.
Yeah, no doubt. You can tell. Look,
No, you could tell. You could.
this was up here.
Yeah, it was all up here.
I want to get a picture of the bike. You can see the skyline from here.
Yeah, right down there. I've been here before.
Yeah. And that's Cliffwood Beach. That's part of the department, like area where I used to patrol. That's the,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What is it called?
Cliffwood Beach section of Aberdeen County.
Oh, I've never been there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's nice. I mean, it's nice.
Yeah, it looks good. And it looks like, well, right. Is there a road layer right next to the water?
Yeah.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah. Ocean Boulevard.
Ocean. Oh yeah. You can tell the sun's coming out on the other side. Well, look, the rain's right here. So, do you mind if I sit on this for a minute?
No, go ahead.
Yeah.
Can you blame it on the Harley Davidson road position? It's pretty. Now look, I have that back a little bit. That's adjustable, where I can lean.
You can lean.
I can lean you up like this, by putting this, tighten this up, and then this tightens up.
That feels nice, man.
Right, you're pretty
And
erect.
it moves too. That feels good.
You're pretty erect. Right?
Yeah.
Like, so you're,
All right, it's all good. We came out, we got a little freaking wind therapy, and we go back. That's it. Headed home now. All right, it started raining on us again. The wind is picking up. Well, all good plans have surprises in them. And this is no different. It is absolutely pouring out. Well, this might be the first fly and ride video that I bring to you in the rain. There's a first time for everything. Let's test this anti-lock brake system here. See what happens. Slam on this thing. Wow. Man, that thing is smooth. Thing stopped on a dime there with very little slippage. So this is what I love about great gear. So obviously, as you can tell, I got caught in the rain here. Indy Ridge gloves, Indy Ridge boots, and my Beyond Riders jacket. And I am absolutely dry and nice and warm. Now granted, the temperature went down to 46 degrees, which is really expected. It was 58 when we left. It's now 46 degrees. And this gear is just absolutely awesome. So make sure you go check them out. All right.
That's what you call a landing. So hopefully you enjoyed some of that nice, amazing drone footage. Of course, I had to record the drone footage on a separate day. And as luck may have it, we got some snow between the last time I recorded the video and when I launched the drone.
All right, so look, that's going to do it for this video. Do me a favor, if you like this content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.